India-Pakistan war. What are loitering munitions or suicide drones? Explained. The indigenous Nagastra-1 suicide drone took center stage during Operation Sindoor, as India showcased its growing military prowess through a series of precision strikes. In a bold display of advanced drone capabilities, the Indian Armed Forces extensively deployed loitering munitions to target terrorist bases across the border in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir Pak, sending a clear message to the world about the country's technological edge in modern warfare. Loitering munitions, often referred to as suicide drones, were used by Indian forces on the night of May 67 to strike 9 terrorist bases. These drones were also employed to counter any provocative actions by the Pakistani army, penetrating deep into Pakistani territory to destroy numerous terrorist bases. Equipped with explosive warheads, these drones can find, track and precisely attack their targets. These state-of-the-art drones were developed by the Defence Research and Development Organisation DRDO in Bengaluru, a private company based in Bengaluru, in collaboration with an Israeli military technology firm, has built these fully autonomous unmanned aerial systems UAS. They excel in surveillance, target tracking, and precision strikes and feature a low radar cross-section, making them difficult for enemy air defense systems to detect. The Indian Army utilized these drones to obliterate the Jaish-e Mohammed Jem headquarters in Bahawalpur and the Lashkar-Taiba hideout in Muradka. Additionally, the Sky Striker loitering munitions, developed by Alpha Design Technologies India and Elbit Systems Israel, played a crucial role in the anti-terrorism operation. With a range of 100 km and the capability to carry 5 to 10 kg of explosives, the Sky Striker was used for the first time in an attack against terrorists, marking a significant milestone in India's counter-terrorism efforts. Swipe left for next video. On Thursday, India thwarted Pakistan's attempts to target military sites using drones and missiles in Jammu, Pathankot, Udhampur, and other critical locations. According to the Defence Ministry, Pakistan aimed at military installations in 15 cities across northern and western India, including Srinagar, Amritsar, Chandigarh, and Bajaj. These failed attempts by Pakistani forces came in response to the bold counter-terror operation on Wednesday, which involved precise missile strikes on 9 terror targets in Pak and Pakistan under Operation Sindoor, in retaliation for the April 22 Pahalgam terror attack. The Indian government described the action as a preemptive measure to safeguard national security and deter further cross-border aggression. Latest blogs.